How to make your Instagram account private or public. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to toggle between your Instagram account's privacy. Whether you want to make it public or private, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. Open up Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are on your profile, find the menu icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then from there, you want to go ahead and find account privacy. Currently, my account is private, and when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtags, location pages, and your followers and followings list as well. Now, if you want to make it public, everyone on and off Instagram will be able to find your account. Toggle the button up top and then tap on switch to public. You should be good to go. And if you want to make it private again, you can just go ahead and toggle this back on, tap on switch to private, and that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.